Alright, so we just completed installing software packs for our microcontroller. So now in order to locate where exactly it is stored in your PC, so just go to your C drive, and so this is a folder gets created when we installed Keel, right? So go under that and now go under ARM, and here you will see a folder called pack. Okay, go under that. Here you will see another folder called Keel. Just go under that, and here you can see that these are the software packs we have installed for different microcontrollers. Okay, so this is for ST, this is the Nucleo BSP, and this is the device firmware package for TI's TUR series of microcontrollers. So whenever you install software packs for different microcontrollers, so the Keel will put all those software packs which is downloaded into this path. Alright, so now let's go under this F4XXDFV, and okay, this is the latest version 2.11, and if I go under that, here you will see one important folder called drivers. Okay, so just go under that and you will locate your HAL layer for this microcontroller, and if you go under that, okay, you will see two important folders. One is source and another one is include. So when you open source, you can locate the entire HAL layer, or you can also say that, so all these are peripheral drivers for different peripherals present on your microcontroller, so like CAN, CRC, crypto engine, DAC, DMA, flash, I2C, UART, etc. So okay, so this layer, okay, will have drivers for all the on-chip peripherals of your microcontroller, that is STM32F4X family of microcontrollers. And this folder, that is include, will have the supportive header files for these source files. And the same layer you also encountered in your Eclipse section, isn't it? So there we added all these files from generating a CubeMX project, and from that we imported into our Eclipse project, isn't it? Okay, so the HAL layer used there, and what you are seeing here, the source codes are exactly same. Why? Because these source codes are actually given by the ST, right? So this is given by the vendor. And when you go back to drivers here, and here you can locate all the KIMSYS header files for different layers, like KIMSYS core header files, DSP header files, RTOS header files, etc.